When Peter the Great started St. Petersburg, he wanted to build a window to Europe. And 2 centuries later, we're absolutely sure that our beautiful city is a window to the whole world. And I'm absolutely proud of the fact that ITMO University had its campus in the very downtown of the beautiful St. Petersburg, with a walking distance to the St. Petersburg State Hermitage Museum, for example. Our excellence in IT and mathematics gave us world-level reputation. But beside of great world-class research in IT, we do have world-class research and education in physics, photonics, in biotech, in green tech. And we do believe in interdisciplinarity. That's why we do have these programs like art and science, digital humanities, and bioinformatics. Because all the great discoveries are interdisciplinary today. We do call ITMO University Global University because we have more than 20% of international students on campus and 15% of our faculty are international. And we know exactly what we need to do to make our international faculty and students feel home, away from home. We provide a lot of services in English, and we have a lot of degree programs that are completely in English. So please come and join us for this virtual open day, ask a lot of questions, be curious, and join us on our journey.